Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Guaranty Bank and AMP Trust is a Texas-based financial institution offering a comprehensive mobile banking experience through its mobile app. This video explains how the Guaranty Bank and AMP Trust app functions, its key features, and whether it meets the needs of modern banking customers. The Guaranty Bank and AMP Trust app provides a variety of features aimed at facilitating everyday banking tasks. Users can view account balances, monitor transaction history, and transfer funds between accounts. The app supports mobile check deposits, allowing customers to deposit checks remotely using their smartphone's camera. Additionally, it integrates with digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay, enabling secure and convenient contactless payments. The app also includes a live chat feature, providing users with real-time assistance. Security is a paramount concern for Guaranty Bank Trust. The app employs bank-level encryption and offers two-factor authentication to protect user data. Customers can set up biometric login options, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, for added security and ease of access. The app also allows users to set up customized alerts for low balances or unusual account activity, helping them stay informed about their financial status. Despite its robust feature set, the app has received mixed reviews from users. Some customers have reported issues with biometric login functionality, requiring frequent reauthentication or app reinstalls. Others have noted delays in transaction updates and difficulties with bill payments, leading to late fees and customer service challenges. These issues highlight the importance of keeping the app updated and ensuring device compatibility. Pros of the Guaranty Bank Trust app include its comprehensive feature set, strong security measures, and integration with digital wallets. It effectively meets the needs of customers seeking a reliable and convenient mobile banking solution. On the downside, the app's functionality may be limited on older devices, and some users have experienced technical issues after updates. Additionally, while the app covers essential banking functions, it lacks advanced financial planning tools that some users may desire. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.